name is Yuglal Kumar, and I have been teaching English for almost 3 to 4 years in an institute. I completed my graduation from English and Foreign Language University, Hyderabad, and I also taught several students in this organization. And earlier, I have also taken so many Spanish class, and so many. I have taken class of lot of senior people like corporate and small students also. Like, so that's not important. So in Spanish, there are a lot of exciting things are there, and lot of interesting things are there. What are those things? I will tell you one by one. The first thing you must know in Spanish, her sound is not there. Her sound is not there. Even it is H sound is H letter is there in the any Spanish word. Just forget that. It is never pronounced. Her sound is not there. It means, like, if you have to say hola, that's a most famous and interesting word in Spanish. That is hola. Hola is what? Hola means hi, hello. Or namaste, namaskaram, whatever you say in your mother tongue, right? So hola. And what is the spelling of hola? Why don't we say hola? We say hola. Because in Spanish, H is never pronounced. Right? H is always silent, right? And the second interesting thing, the Spanish is third most spoken language in the world. Do you know, even in USA, United States of America, 40% of Americans speaks Spanish. Not one, not two, 40%. And very soon, more people in the USA will be speaking Spanish than Mexico. Most important, the most other important things is that in Latin America, there are 22 countries where Spanish is spoken. Did you know that? What are those 22 countries? Mexico, Argentina, Peru, Colombia, Ecuador, Costa Rica, and so on. And these countries where Spanish is spoken, so many countries are there. And each country has a different accent and different slangs. But don't worry, we are going to learn here. Sana, can you switch to video call and introduce yourself? If you don't mind. Otherwise, it's okay. Guys, what do you see in the screen now? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
What is written there?
Sir, Spanish speaking countries.
Can you remember?
Yes. So that's what I was telling you guys, that apart from Spain, all the Latin America or South America, which is this part here, if you are aware of this,
Yeah.
Spanish is spoken, right?
So what is a greeting?
What is greeting? A greeting is something that we say or do when we meet someone. Different cultures have different greetings, and we use different greetings in different situations. Can you think of someone action that people used to greet each other?
Okay. So let me stop here. So greetings is not always, we don't greet people only by saying good morning, good afternoon, good evening, but we also greet with action. Can you think of any action? How do we greet people? Yes. Oh, who is going first?
Shake hands.
Yes, Prisa is going first. Yes, Prisa, go ahead.
Hands, saying good morning, good afternoon.
No, by saying we say good morning, good afternoon, that's perfect. But any action, tell me any action. Any action. Yes, handshake is one of the things. Yes. And other can think of something. Sachi, can you think of something? Or Pranushka? Or
Like this one, we can greet.
yes, we also greet like this. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Yes. Any other action?
Like this, handshaking, sir.
Handshaking. There is done hand.
By saying namaste.
Namaste. That's by words. By action. I'm talking about by action.
Yeah,
Namaste. Yes.
Yeah, by
Yes.
joining.
This is also one of the greetings. Yes. Flying kiss is there. Kiss is there. A lot of things are there. Like, so I'll show you something and then we can move ahead. These are the greetings which we express in our action, right? We hug, we shake our hands, we salute, and we give kisses. That is also part of greetings. It's right.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and we can. What is greeting? We can also
What?
greet people using words. Can you think of?
Can you think of some different words or phrases that we use to greet each other in English?
Haha. So here, my question is very clear. Not the common one. Not the common one like good morning, good afternoon, hello, hi. Apart from these, can you think of some other words? These are the common greetings, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are the common words. Say hello, hi, hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever.
Yes.
Apart from that, what do we say? We hey buddy, hey dude, whatever. We use different types of. Now greetings in different languages. We are going to learn Spanish here, but I will teach you at least one word in all the languages. Then we will start learning Spanish.
Sir,
Hasan, yes, go ahead.
sir, I know konnichiwa. It's spoken in Japan.
Yes, konnichiwa in
Hello.
Japanese.
Bonjour is hello. Konnichiwa
Bonjour is hale.
in Japan. Bonjour is hello in France. And Guten Tag is good day in Japan.
Sir, ni hao is in Japan.
No, ni hao in Chinese. So let me go
Oh,
first
yes,
for
yes.
others. Let me go for others. So first one is Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. We greet people in Arabic. In Arabic or in Urdu, people say Assalamu alaikum, and they have accent like this, right? How do they say? They Assalamu alaikum. In accent, they say Assalamu alaikum. Arabic people, right? The second one, Namaste. We all know in Hindi. It's a
In
very
Hindi.
popular. In Hindi, we say Namaste, and the accent is like this, like this. And ciao. This is ciao. This is ciao. People do in Portuguese. Portuguese, they say ciao ciao, right?
Ciao, ciao.
Yes.
Yes, and Guten Tag. Guten Tag is not like hi and hello, but it is a good day. Guten Tag means literally it will be good day. But like instead of hello and hi, we say it Guten Tag,
Good day.
German. Guten Tag, Guten Abend, Guten Nacht. So that's a different one. But learn this one. Guten Tag means good day, but that's what the word we use in German. And bonjour, bonjour, it's a bonjour. Bonjour means bonjour. It's not bonjour. R is silent there. And bonjour, say in what language? We say it in
Friend.
French. So in Spanish it is hola. In Hindi,
Hola.
namaste. In Arabic it is assalamu alaikum. Ciao in Portuguese,
Guten Tag.
bonjour, guten Tag in German, and
Ni hao.
rest is here. Just guten Tag. Ni hao in Chinese, we say it like ni hao in Chinese, konnichiwa in Japanese. People who knows Japanese, they say konnichiwa, konnichiwa, or the very famous words in Japanese is sayonara, bye bye, sayonara,
Sayonara. Yes, sayonara.
sayonara, sayonara. So
Spanish
can you read?
people often kiss or the cheeks to greet each other.
Yes, I know this is not common in India. This practice is not there. But in Bollywood, if you watch Bollywood movies, if you must have seen this one doing this side kiss check, right?
Yes.
Part of greetings. That's a part of in Spain, in Latin America. This is very common practice. They won't say hi and hello. They will just come and side kiss
Yes.
each other. That's how they greet, right? So
Yes.
this was the Spanish thing. Now let's come to a Spanish language, since we are here to learn Spanish. And I want everyone to speak and repeat. If you are not able to pronunciate it, or if you have a difficulty in pronunciation or pronouncing it, just do let me know. I will go one by one. The first one is
Hola.
Hola.
What is that?
Hola.
Hola. O
Hello.
H is yes. Just fit into your mind that in Spanish H is always silent. Spelling of hola,
H is silent and we pronounce it Ola. Ola means, that's a very common expression. Ola means hi or hello.
Hello.
So can everyone tell me one by one? Can someone read
Good morning.
for good morning? What it is what is the word there? What is the
Bonus dia. Bonus dia.
No, it was not. Just try to read every part, and then I will correct. Okay, let me go in participant so that I can take one by one. Prisa, you go ahead. What is the expression for good morning? Can you try to read it?
Buenos dias.
Okay, perfect one. Sakshi, now your turn.
Buenos dias.
Okay, just go ahead. I will not correct or Palak, your turn. Go ahead. Try to read it. Even you are incorrect.
Buenos dias.
Okay. Now Pranuska, you go ahead. Pranuska, if you can hear us.
Buenos dias.
Okay. Pratham, now your turn.
Buenos dias.
Okay. Next, who is remaining? Who's left? It is Buenos Dias. Buenos Dias. So, we learned hola means hi and hello. Now we learned Buenos Dias. So, Buenos Dias literally means good day. Literally meaning of Buenos Dias is good day. But we say good morning. Like in English, we say good morning. In Spanish, we say buenos dias, buenos dias, buenos dias, buenos dias, Samarth, buenos dias, Sachi, buenos dias, Palak, buenos dias, Pratham, buenos dias, everyone. Buenos dias todo. Buenos dias, Prisa. So we say like this. Buenos dias a todos. In English, people, hi, hello people, good morning people. In Spanish, we say buenos dias a todos. Buenos dias a todos. So buenos dias means good morning. And for everyone, it is clear now. What is the expression for good morning? Good morning? Now let's go to the next expression. That is for good afternoon and good evening. That is for good afternoon and good evening. So who is going first? Just try to read it.
Sir,
Even you are
can I?
incorrect. Yes, go ahead, please.
Buenos Aires.
Okay, good effort. No problem. Next one, please.
Buenas tardes.
Okay. Next one, please. Who's going? Palak, you go ahead. Go ahead, please, Palak.
Buenas tardes.
Okay. Pranuska, now your turn.
Buenos noches.
No, I'm not asking you to read the next expression. Just read the same expression. For good afternoon and good evening.
Buenos tardes.
Okay. Pratham?
Buenos tardes.
Okay, that was the perfect one. Samarth, your turn.
Adios.
No, I'm not asking you to read the different expression. I am asking you to read the same expression, which is for good afternoon and good evening. What do we say in Spanish?
Buenos tardes.
Okay, that was good try. That was a good try. So now I'm stopping my the screen so that it was. So just focus on my lips here. Lips read. It's very important here. I told you in the very beginning. In Spanish, pronunciation is important. Like it was Buenos Dias. Yes. So here. Next one is for good night. Next one is for
Buenas noches.
yes. I want everyone. Palak, you go ahead first. What is the expression for good night in Spanish?
Buenas
Yes, buenas
noches.
Buenas noches. Very perfect, Palak. Buenas noches. Now, Pratham, you say, go ahead, please.
Buenas noches.
Perfect. Prisa, go ahead, please.
Buenas noches.
Perfect. Sakshi,
Buenas noches.
okay, now you got it perfectly. Pranuska, your turn.
Buenas noches.
Perfect. Very perfect. Pratham, you told. Samarth, it's your turn now.
Buenas noches.
Very good. Pratham, you said it, or you still want to go ahead? Pratham, you go ahead, please.
I said it.
Okay, say it again.
Buenas noches.
Yes, so perfect. The third one, almost everyone got it correct. And what is thank you? Can you see the screen here? Most important word. Thank you. Gracias.
Gracias.
Can everyone go ahead with this? Gracias.
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 One
Gracias.
by. Let me take your name. Palak, you go ahead, please.
Gracias.
Perfect. Pratham Gupta.
Gracias. Gracias.
Perfect. Prisa. Now your turn.
Gracias.
Sachi.
Gracias.
Samarth.
Gracias.
Pranuska.
Gracias.
Yes, it's gracias. So let me stop. Gracias. It's again interesting word, right? Gracias. 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 So I will be saying gracias like this, and you have to say it together.
So introduction.
Introduction in Spanish.
Introduction in Spanish, right? So first part we have already finished. What is that? This part. This is this part.
So I
This part
don't
we
have notebook or pencil here. So
So, sir, can we write it?
So
I
you don't.
have notice.
Yes. So what I would suggest for those who does not have any notebook or pen, you can take a screenshot of this. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, take a screenshot of this so that you can remember it.
I'll write. I have it.
Yes, those who have, no problem. Those who does not have anything, you can take a screenshot of this so that you will have this for your future reference. You can say it. Hola means hello and hi. Buenos dias. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches.
Sir, can I say numbers in Espanol?
Yes, who is there? Who there?
Sir, Prisha.
Prisa. Yes, Prisa, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ocho. Next. 9,
10.
10. Perfect one. So the first question is. First question is.
Mi iloma. Ilamu.
Almost. Nee, here. Wait, no, not go there. Just come here. If I have to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one, question mark, double question mark. What is your name? Formal. Can you see that in bracket?
Yes.
Yes.
Como se llama?
Say, ¿Cómo se llama? And the next question, what is the next question?
Como
Se llama.
Yes. What is your name in Spanish? We said, what do you call yourself? What do you call yourself? That is how we ask. And the question is, ¿Cómo se llama? Say it. ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama? What is your name? But this is formal one. This is what? This is formal. Formal means you can ask this question formally with elder people in office, with your teacher. You can ask, ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama? This is what is your name. And what is to how do we answer this? Me llamo Yug. Me llamo Yug or soy Yug. So I am Yug. Me llamo Yug means I call myself Yug or my name is Yug. So just repeat it. You have to say, Hola, me llamo Yug. So for everyone from today, If you have to say, what is your name? If someone asking in Spanish, ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? You can answer it. Me llamo Misika, me llamo Pranuska, me llamo Pratham, me llamo Palak, me llamo Samarth, whatever your name is. You can answer that, right? I am. Oh, my name is this. Oh, I call myself this. Right? And what is the other way to say this? Soy. Soy means I am. Like soy yug. If I have to say, I will say soy yug. Me llamo yug. My name is Yug, or I call myself Yug. And the answer is the second way of saying my name is or I am Yug. It's soy Yug. Soy means I am or your name. Soy Pranuska, soy Sachi, soy Pratham, soy Palak, soy Samar, soy Misika. So we learned this, right? So for now, this is what we learned. Tell and teach you, but time is over. It's already 1+ hour.